I messed up a bit, so I decided to fix it. I undo quite a few operations which I already done. Now let's pick our edit in place, model in place, and create some voids back. I will pick the work plane. It will be grid 1. Use a tab key to get those and a few of those. Also, I'll pick those two and this. What we are basically need now, it's these elements. I overdo it again for some reason. Now it should work. Yeah. Let's get back to the 3D just to check how it goes. And extend it a bit. Wrong thing. Yeah. And yes, we do have it. But the thing is that our shape should resemble this line, so it will nicely will be looking nice on the corners of our shape. How we will do that? We do have it with on self, the sketch on the self elevation. Let's pick it. Use filter. We need only the lines. Apply OK. So we selected all of our lines. And we need to move to either this or this elevation to edit on the side. Let's bring it here. And now we need to put it in place. Our model is a bit off, but no matter, we'll fix it. Now we go to the edit in place, go to edit extrusion, and we need to resemble this line in our shape. We can do it easily, just like this. We'll just pick the line, pick this one, this one, this one, and that one. And now we will just make an offset. Let's go with 350. Yeah, it looks like it works as it should. Let's make another offset. Yeah, now it's working. And let's delete the middle line. Now we have it. Let's enclose the shape. And let's take a look what we have over here. Now it looks fine, more or less. Let's put it in place. But before that, if we take a closer look, we have a upstand from the last level. Let's say it will be like 2 meters. And we need to edit that. So to do that, we need to do a few simple steps. Go to edit in place, edit extrusion. This side, this line will get up for 2 meters. And the same thing with another extrusion. But this extrusion should be edited in the different plane. Let's move it also up for 2 meters. Now our element edited correctly. Good. Let's align them in the proper place and check how it will be in the middle. Finish the edit in place and create copy. Let's erase this one. Now let's create a few copies just to take a look on it. And for this one, we will create mirror 45 degrees. And now we have it. It aligns correctly. Let's do it in a proper manner. Let's go to the south. Pick all of the lines which we already have, filter them, apply, and let's do the same stuff which we already did. But we'll pick them from here and put it on this crossing. Looks fine. What we have over here, we need to move our column in front. I think so. Yes, we're doing good, but not that good as it should. We can erase this one and fix this one and mirror it later on. Let's open it here. What we see over here, it's the problem of our elevation is cropping view. Now we move it and it should be fine. Yeah, it is. So here is our last column. Let's select all of our lines. In case when you have something which you need from time to time to select, you can just select items, go to the near to the filter to the selection and save the selection. Sketch column. Ay. Now, anytime when I need to select something, I can just go to the Manage, Load, Sketch column, and all of those columns are selected. Let's move the selection a bit so it will align with our last column. Good. Now we can do a proper thing and offset it a bit. We're fine with that. And let's edit our family in place. We need to edit not the column itself, but the void. And to edit this void, we'll just do the same stuff which we already did. Clean it out a bit and trim. We have overlapping lines. Let's clean them also. No, it's a wrong line. I hit tab and I can select one object on top of another. Uh, intersect. Let's check them also. Something is intersecting. Let's leave that. Now press OK. Should be fine. Finish. And what we have? It's incorrect. For some reason, it misaligned our column. Let's look on that from top. Finish. And now it works. Let's try to get the proper copy of that. What we have over here? For some reason, our column not in the proper place, but we can always fix it. Let's go on the bottom line, check what is going on. Because I probably misaligned it here. Yes. Now the one column base just inside of the other. Good. Let's continue our work just as we did before. Let's get rid of this one, so it will be 5 by 5. And we need a line just to help us to correctly locate our elements. Let's go with the model line. Now, just a dimension line from here and from there. Or we can do it in a fancy way. Press equal. So we have the middle line, and let's fix this model line so it will give us a clean center point. What we will do next, we'll copy this element and we'll draw the axis here. Yeah. We'll copy this element and move it here. And now what we can do is just to populate all over the place. Let's do it in a fancy way. We can just place center of rotation or just hit the space. Turn on the copy, hit the space, and now we're selecting the center, move it for 90 degrees, and now another 90 degrees, and once more. Our model is a bit misaligned here. Let's fix it and get it nicely done. So it should not go outside. It should be inside the element. What we can always do, we can just copy this one and erase the previous one. And now everything should be at the place. We will join it all together a bit later on. It's because our models are a bit misaligned. Yeah, because of the half of the column. Yes, we need to fix it and make it correctly. That's because this part it's wrong. So it should be let's edit it in place. Let's correct it once so we don't need to do it twice. Now this part should go a bit inward. Yes, because this, I got it. All of this should be aligned. Let's change it a bit. And now we will move this to alignment and bring it in the proper place. That's how it should look like. And after that, what we can do is just to bring other stuff into a round. Let's press space, pick it from here, bring it here. From here we're moving it here. And also from here we're moving it here. Ah, made it wrong. Good. With all of that, we can just make next step. Yes, that's how it should be. Let's do it. Now we're doing the same stuff for the other corner. Just align one with another. And the last one. Here, what we should get. We are getting this shape. And this looks fine. Now let's combine all together. For that, we'll use geometry, join, and you'll pick one by one and join them together. So it will look as clean and good shape like this. Some of them will require multiple joins, but for Revit, this amount of shapes are just fascinating, and it's not that happy. Ay, misclicked. Let's go and join it once, and we'll see how it goes further. Let's join next one. This one was this one was that one. And more or less we're getting there. Revit is not really happy with all of those shapes, but it is what it is. We get some stuff which working kind of weird. But that's all. Our carcass from our columns are done. So it's quite good.